Have you ever wondered how some people manage to make their money grow while others always seem to struggle to keep up with their bills? The difference lies in understanding the phases of personal finance and applying the right strategies in each one. What you do with your money today can determine whether it grows over time or simply disappears before your eyes. In today's video, I will show you the 10 essential phases of personal finance. Each phase is an important step in turning your money into a powerful tool for growth and security. Ignoring these phases can leave you vulnerable to financial setbacks, while following them can put you on the path to financial freedom. Want to know how to make sure your money works for you? Then keep watching, because these phases can make all the difference in your financial future. Make sure that you are already part of our community. Subscribe now and stay updated with the latest strategies to master your finances. Millionaire mindset. Management over consumption. Imagine you just received $1 million. The temptation to splurge on everything you've ever wanted would be huge, right? But let me share a secret with you. The real power of that money lies in how you manage it, not in how you spend it. Think about it. If you blow it all now, what will you have left? Nothing. But if you know how to manage that money, you can turn it into something much bigger. Let's talk about management. Instead of spending it on things that lose value, like a new car or a luxury vacation, why not invest that money in something that can generate even more money? It could be a business, real estate, or even other investments. The idea is to make your money work for you, growing your wealth over time. This is the millionaire mindset. Thinking long-term and turning your money into a tool that helps you grow. Instead of seeing $1 million as a big sum to spend, start viewing it as a seed that, if nurtured properly, can grow into a forest of opportunities. Active income versus passive income. Understanding the differences. Let's think about how you earn money. There are two main types of income, active and passive. Active income is what you earn when you trade your time for money. For example, if you work 8 hours a day and receive a paycheck at the end of the month, that's active income. You're getting paid for the work you do directly. The tricky part about active income is that it's entirely dependent on your effort. If you stop working, the income stops coming in. Now, let's talk about passive income, which is like having a money-making machine working for you. Imagine you invest in a rental property. Every month, the rent payment lands in your account, without you having to do much beyond maintaining the property. That's the concept of passive income. Money keeps coming in even when you're not actively working. The ideal situation is to start building sources of passive income over time, so that in the future, you can rely less on active income and have more freedom to do what you really enjoy. Working to earn money is important, but making your money work for you is the ultimate goal. Diversify your income streams, security in times of uncertainty. Relying on just one source of income, like your paycheck, can be risky, especially if something unexpected happens, like losing your job. If that single income stream disappears, you might struggle to cover your expenses. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. By having multiple sources of income, such as a small business, dividend-paying investments, or rental properties, you reduce your financial risk. If one source falters, others can help sustain you. Diversifying your income not only provides security, but also accelerates your wealth growth, as you're continually adding new streams of income. To achieve financial independence and protect yourself from uncertainties, it's wise to spread your income across various sources. What about you? Do you diversify your sources of income? Comment below if you understand the importance of doing so. Use money wisely. Think about the future. When money hits your account, the first thing that might come to mind is how to spend it. But let me share something that could change the way you look at money. Instead of just thinking about the present, consider what it can do for you in the future. Imagine that instead of spending it all on things that bring only temporary joy, you decide to save a portion and invest in something that can grow over time, like an emergency fund or a course that will help you earn more in the future. That's what it means to use money wisely. For example, instead of buying that new phone that just came out, you could invest in something that will bring long-term benefits. It could be an opportunity to learn a new skill that will increase your value in the job market, or an investment that will yield returns over the years. When you think about the future, every financial decision you make today can become a step toward a more secure and prosperous life tomorrow. Using money wisely is what sets you on the right path to achieving your dreams without getting lost along the way. Producer mindset. Invest in yourself. Money can be the key to creating more opportunities and even more money. This is what I call the producer mindset. Instead of just consuming, imagine using your money as a tool to create something of value. This could mean investing in courses, certifications, or anything that helps you grow and become more valuable in what you do. When you invest in your skills, you're planting seeds that can turn into significant opportunities in the future. This mindset also applies to projects and businesses. Imagine using some of your money to start a small business or invest in something that brings in a new stream of income. It's like turning the money you have into a machine that keeps generating value, even when you're not directly involved. By adopting this producer mindset, you're building a solid foundation for your financial independence. It's not just about having money now, but about creating something that can support you and elevate you to new levels in the future. Emergency fund. Preparing for the unexpected. Let's be honest. Unexpected things happen, often when we least expect them. It could be a medical emergency or an unexpected car repair. Now, imagine facing one of these situations without any savings set aside. It would be a tough challenge, right? That's exactly why having an emergency fund is so important. Think of it as a financial cushion that softens the blow of life's surprises. The idea is to have at least 6 months' worth of your monthly expenses saved up. That way, if something happens, you have time to get back on your feet without going into debt or facing financial stress. This fund isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It gives you peace of mind, allowing you to make more secure and calm decisions without the panic of figuring out how to pay the bills next month. Plus, it gives you the freedom to seize opportunities like switching jobs or investing in something new without the fear of running out of money. So, before you think about making big investments or purchases, prioritize building your emergency fund. It's the foundation of a healthy and secure financial life. Retirement. Planning your future freedom. Retirement might seem like something far off, but the sooner you start preparing, the better your future will be. Imagine being able to stop working whenever you want, without worrying about money, and having the freedom to do what you truly enjoy. This isn't an impossible dream, but it does require planning from now. The key to a smooth retirement is starting to invest with the long term in mind. This could mean contributing to a 401k or IRA, investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets that grow over time. The goal is to build a fund that will support you in the future without having to rely solely on active income from working. Time is your greatest ally here. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. And the larger that fund is in the future, the more security and freedom you'll have to enjoy this stage of your life. Remember, retirement shouldn't be a time of financial worries, but rather a period to enjoy everything you've built over the years. Planning now ensures that in the future, you can live with peace of mind and savor life as you've always wanted. I see you haven't left a like yet. Hit that like button to show your support and help us bring more great content your way. Invest for the future. Make your money work for you. When it comes to money, it's easy to fall into the trap of using it just to buy things. But if you really want to build wealth, it's crucial to shift your mindset and start seeing money as a resource that can work for you. Think of money as a seed. If you plant that seed and nurture it, it will grow into a fruit-bearing tree, continuing to produce for many years. That's the power of investing. Instead of spending your money on things that lose value, like electronics or clothes, you can invest in assets that appreciate over time. These investments could be stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, government bonds, or even properties. The key is that over time, these assets generate returns, whether through interest, dividends, or appreciation. This means your money is working for you, generating more money without requiring constant effort. Investing for the future ensures that down the road, you have a solid financial foundation that allows you to live with greater comfort and security. It's about turning every dollar you have today into a tool to build the life you want in the future. The 90-day rule. Track your financial progress. Imagine you're building a house. You don't just lay down the bricks and hope everything turns out perfectly. Every so often, you stop, assess what's been done, make adjustments as needed, and ensure everything is going according to plan. The same principle applies to your finances. The 90-day rule is a simple and effective way to monitor your financial progress. Every 3 months, pause, and review how your finances are doing. This means checking your net worth, which is basically what you own your assets, minus what you owe your debts. By conducting this regular review, you can see if you're on the right track or if you need to make adjustments. For example, you might notice that you've spent more than planned over the past few months, allowing you to take steps to correct this before it becomes a bigger issue. Or you might see that your investments are growing and decide to increase your contributions. Tracking your progress every 90 days is like steering a ship toward your destination. It ensures you're always on course to reach your financial goals without encountering unexpected detours. Consistency is key, the path to financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is like running a marathon, not a sprint. This means the secret isn't in making big leaps, but in taking small, consistent steps every single day. That's the power of consistency. Imagine you decide to start investing. At first, the results might seem minor or even discouraging. But just like a plant that needs time to grow, your investments and financial decisions need time as well. Every contribution you make, every bit of savings you accumulate, every time you invest a little more, all of these add up over time. Consistency also applies to other areas of your financial life. Whether it's working to increase your income, seeking new sources of revenue, or managing your expenses, the key is not to give up. Stay focused, even when the results seem far off. Remember, financial freedom isn't something that happens overnight. It's the result of ongoing effort, small actions that, over time, accumulate and transform your financial reality. Stay consistent, and eventually, you'll see that all the effort was worth it. So, now that you're familiar with the 10 stages of personal finance, you're ready to make your money truly grow. Remember how each stage is an important step? Following these steps could be the difference between merely surviving financially and truly thriving. Now, the choice is yours. You can start applying these lessons today and watch your money grow over time, or you can continue as you are, risking never achieving the financial security you desire. But I'm sure you want to see positive results, and that starts with small, consistent actions. So, how about starting now? Review what we've learned, assess which stage you're at, and take the next step. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reap the rewards. And remember, the path to financial growth is paved with smart decisions and persistence. You've got this. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more amazing tips. See you next time.